Well, a big day today because there's going to be the Trump swearing in ceremony that is going to happen. We have the exclusive itinerary of, President Donald Trump. Let me read out the itinerary that we have exclusively fetched out for NewsX. Yes, the morning schedule includes at 4:30 p.m. There will be security screening gates that would be open at 8:30 p.m. There would be live coverage that will begin, and it will also be streamed on various platforms at 11:30 p.m. That is, these are the Indian times that we are saying. The swearing-in ceremony will take place, with the location is U.S. Capitol Rotunda, which will also feature performances by Carrie Underwood, American the Beautiful, and other musical acts including Lee Greenwald and Christopher McHugh as well. So now when we read out this very entire itinerary that we have, following the swearing-in ceremony that's going to happen, the farewell will also be happening to former President Joe Biden and Vice President Kamala Harris. U.S. Capitol departure ceremony will also be taking place. Then there is a late night events also that will be taking place. That is going to happen where the presidential signing room ceremony will happen. The location would be U.S. Capitol, and even the newly sworn in president will also sign the inaugural documents. And then the JCCIC Congressional Luncheon will also take place, which is a traditional luncheon that is hosted by the very Congress. Then the president's review of the troops will happen, where the president will inspect the troops as part of the ceremonial proceedings. Then tomorrow early morning, the schedule is at 5 a.m. Indian Standard Time. The location is again Capital One Arena, where there will be a frigid weather also, and the traditional parade, because of the frigid weather, has been moved to indoors, where President Trump will join attendees in the arena after the ceremony. Now there's a Tuesday ceremony will also take place, where the morning schedule includes the Oval Office signing ceremony, that is time 7 a.m. Indian Standard Time, location the White House. Then the Commander-in-Chief Ball will also happen, that is 8:30 a.m. again Indian Standard Time. And there will be remarks also that will be followed by remarks by the president, that is Donald Trump. And then the Liberty Inaugural Ball will also be taking place at 9:30 a.m. that is Indian Standard Time. And then again the remarks by US President Donald Trump. There will be Starlight Ball also that will be taking place. That will happen at 10:30 a.m. IST, where there will be again remarks that will be followed by remarks by the president. And then post-inauguration event will also be taking place with National Prayer Service. That will again take place at 8:30 p.m. that is in the evening, and a traditional ceremony will mark the conclusion of the inaugural events, and also the official start of the term of the 20th Amendment. That is, even Vice President-elect J.D. Vance will also be assuming office at 11:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. This is me, Brian Andy Thomas, signing over, camera person of Desh for NewsX Delhi.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.